moving with a bitch, but don't expect for me to dip. How you let her post a picture?
Don't lie, but don't lie, boy, don't lie, but don't lie, boy, don't play with me. Can we spend time? Say what's on your mind. Don't play with me, don't lie, boy, don't play with me.
It be the lie to me. Obviously I'm seeing you ain't ride for me. Double XL, then Mac Gala come and shine with me. Fuck a rap nigga, cause my city niggas fine to me. This pussy full of blood, tell them niggas that be eyeing me. How I'm supposed to feel like I done deal, then you switch. How you moving with a bitch, but don't expect for me to dip?
I give him game, but truthfully, you niggas is condom like a dick rubber. So kick rocks, nigga, and lick rubble. Cause I'm the problem and the reason why little China got big trouble. I don't settle down, I don't settle down with it, I simmer up. I don't settle down, I don't settle down with it, I don't settle down with it, I don't settle my dinner up. Walk around, let my shoes happen, but you niggas is trash. I've been throwing my dinner up. I don't settle down with it, I simmer up. You would never walk around, let my shoes, cause bitch, I ain't gon' let you bend them up. I took shots, some niggas was dunking, I wasn't tim enough. Fuck, I'm trying to prove that I'm cold, that's what the winner for. Hey, keep it taller, that's what you winning for. Do it y'all meaning like the sun and moon, you better make sure it's centered up. Because the way that my shit hit, that's what the winner for. Hey, keep it taller, that's what you winning for. Do it y'all meaning, ho, that's what the winner for. Hey, do it y'all meaning like do it y'all meaning for. Do it y'all meaning like y'all niggas. Soon as I enter waist like a mixed couple, like spit bubbles, champagne in my coat, I'ma come out. Like spit bubbles, champagne in my coat, I'm a Chris Tucker. In my coat, I'm a Chris Tucker. In my coat, I'm a Chris Tucker. I'm like, this a big double. I put this a big double. I put this a big double. I put the bread before the beef and did it off. Hey, King bust a big double. Hey, King bust a big double. Hey, King's like a big double. Hey, King bust 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 a nigga, my shit shuttle. I give him game, but truthfully, you niggas is condom like a dick rubber. So kick rocks, nigga, and lick rubble. Cause I'm the problem and the reason why little China got big trouble. Look, I'm clean shaved and you want some shit stubble. And if I ever want a pool of bitches, I tell her make me a big puddle. I freak her diva till she got weak knees. She wanna lay in the sand on an island in tan. I told her beach please. All I ask is give me a hard dick, not a hard time. Regarding your feelings mean that I'm gonna disregard mine. And I ain't in the business of brushing out what I really want. When you expressing feelings, just try to be Bryson Tiller. Don't let me know if you can comprehend. And if we fucking hush about it, just keep my pistol low like I'm Dende and then stay 10 toes down. If you want niggas that'll bleed for you, baby, you gotta make sure the men straight. Never fold, but if you do, then been straight. I'm up for some of the games so they won't get exhausted from all this intake. I'm sick of all you ingrates. My heart tougher than Tuscan leather. Gave an inch, but they took a foot from me. I'm cool to kick tape. I'm riding.
Can we spend time? Say what's on your mind. Don't play with me, don't lie, boy, don't play with me.